video.
Good day, everybody. We're in Korat, and we're here for Aaron's barbecue and staying at this Sarah View Resort. It's a really nice place. We're in the first, I guess you could call it a bungalow, maybe, right here. And then all the rest of our group is here as well, staying in the same place. And you'll see most of those throughout the day. So we're going to take off walking over there. It's about a 5-minute walk. Miss Jai here is ready to go. A little surprised they have a nice secluded area here if you want to get some exercise. I kind of lost the opportunity this morning already. I went and walked and didn't know this was here. Didn't pay attention yesterday. We went straight to Aaron's house. Nice. Yeah, it's very nice. They're set up very well here. Aaron's got it open up, so we'll show you his ribs. Not these ribs on him, but the ones in the pit.
There's still a ways to go.
Yeah. The guy who built this is going to be here today, and we'll shout out his company, BST. And Aaron bought the barbecue pit and the smoker. And BST is for Barbecue Smokers of Thailand. I don't want to get too close, that thing hot.
And he's like a pit master, huh? The guy?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Thailand pit.
I got to join the party over here because all the real YouTubers are they're filming the rib action.
For the annual convention.
We're right outside cell block 9
Okay,
here in Thailand.
do either of you want
Yeah, for
to
the
do either of you want to talk about what's going on here, how we're doing this?
Yeah.
Bobby and Nick.
Wow.
Aaron has graciously invited us
Andrew,
to his wonderful home
Quan, and Guy.
for a full-on barbecue.
And
The real
Guy
deal.
looks like she's doing a short. And we're from here. And don't
He's
forget
on
to subscribe.
he's on
Time to
3
get
hours of
going.
sleep, and
Time to get going. Subscribe.
he's
Time
on
to
2,
get
but
going. Yeah, we got
he
it.
didn't want to like.
So anyway, we'll come back. It looks like, I don't know what time it is.
Look at that, wrapping it in butter now. We're at that stage.
You guys are getting a wonderful play-by-play
For
by
those
Mr.
that
Mick.
that don't eat meat.
Yeah,
Look at that.
sorry for you
We've got
guys.
an awesome
because-
setup.
Okay, now over here, Jai is making cappuccino
Cappuccino
at Aaron's.
Aaron.
Yeah. And what are you doing?
I just waiting.
You're waiting for cappuccino.
Very nice machine, huh?
Yeah.
I like it.
Sir.
Check out this website, grillyourassoff.com. Veteran owned, Texas made. Condiment sauces and more. Wow. And there is their logo.
I threw it on top of the.
You got to do it, man. You got to.
Yeah, this is just salt, pepper, garlic. Simple. Nothing fancy, but a little smoke on it, not much.
Salt, pepper, and garlic. Little smoky. Nice.
Put it in butter. Wrap and put it back on. How long do you leave it on now?
Until we get tender, so it needs to be about 200 degrees. And it should be tender enough to,
200 internal.
yeah, 200, 205, somewhere in there.
Right on.
Because you'll let it rest and then it'll. All right,
Well,
next.
It's got to rest, Mitch.
Yeah, it's got to rest.
You know what I'm gonna do? Change this. No. Yes, no.
Okay.
I think about where I'm gonna put my Diablos.
Ah. Okay, didn't like that.
Thinking on the spot, improvising.
Yep.
He's been here before. Yep.
Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it.
What we've got here is stuffed jalapenos wrapped in bacon.
Yeah, we're just gonna slow smoke them now.
Slow smoking.
Just a few.
And that's what, rendering out the fat
Yeah, and they crisp up the bacon.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
and melting up the cheese.
Hope y'all like these.
I like
Load
them.
of them.
I like them.
I
Yeah.
forgot to tell Aaron I'm a vegan.
You're screwed. I got some grass in the back.
Yeah,
There's a
gonna
few
eat the
trees
lawn.
back
You
there.
know, I can tell by looking at you. I thought that
That
might.
drool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Don't want to get in the master's way.
I ain't no master.
Oh yeah.
Just a guy that likes to get fat. Finding creative ways to get that, to achieve it.
Yeah, he's still done it. Still waiting for him to order parts. Still waiting. Check out the new ironware too. Got some beans in there, huh?
Yeah, barbecue beans.
Barbecue beans.
Courtesy of Dave.
Courtesy of Dave. Okay, everybody, Dave with Got to Love Thailand. Be sure you go over to his channel and like and
That's right,
subscribe.
subscribe to Time to Get Going.
We got a new helper over here in the kitchen. What are you doing, Andrew? Yeah, I don't want to break concentration.
Iron in the salad.
Yeah, we don't need some red in the green. Doing a good job.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, let's check out the hen house. See what's going on in the hen house. So, what are you guys doing? Oh, just
Yeah, yapping.
just. All right. Okay, we're checking temperatures here now. Oh, that looked hot.
Oh, that's just the temperatures, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, so now it's resting time.
Cannot be that. Oh, it's Celsius. That's what I was like. Fucking Celsius. 89 degrees Celsius. No way.
All the sales staff.
It's too low.
Give the new guy
Yeah, it's
on 104.
fat's coming right out.
They needed a brass pole. Brass pole. How much is it? Well, how long and all that kind of stuff. Have someone install them. Not yet. You know, like I just-
These things are made to keep them hot.
Yeah, they're warm bags.
We did.
They just help retain the heat.
I would rather
Slow it down for.
brass. In fact, to me, brass stinks, you know. Chrome pole.
Yeah, if you want to know barbecue,
Back in.
get it from the Texans.
Hopefully it's good, huh?
Well, I gotta
Well, there ain't no doubt my mind's gonna be.
And then like 10 years later, I'm working for an HVAC company.
Move some of these up.
Don't listen to the conversation in the background. Ouch! Ouch! We have a
Oh,
big
man.
barbecue coming on, but Dave can't wait.
No way.
He's got to bust
Ain't
into
gonna
the-
happen.
Oh, look at there! Look what you could have had.
Yeah. Oh, they're done? They're not done yet.
They're not done yet?
No, I don't know.
I'll come in when guys are talking about.
How's it feeling?
It's soft. It's squishy.
Hold on.
I don't know what that.
Don't do anything drastic.
I've got another one.
Get all serious.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Yeah, there's your bone.
Something stupid.
That's what I'm trying to get for is that butt bone.
Deliberately.
All right, so what are we doing?
I'm gonna pull the bone.
And they just
Pull the
See if
bone.
she pulls.
You're gonna pull the bone out of the butt. Oh my God!
Wow.
So that's good.
Wow!
I forget what they were talking about. I'd have to go back and read
I
it.
just cheat. I don't want to get all dirty.
Oh, I was recording myself.
Oh, wow.
Oh, oh. Pulled the butt bone right out of it, just slick as can be.
The master at work again.
Masturbator.
Bobby's over there talking about meat and bone and pulling the bone out. And I'm like, geez,
Pulling the bone out of his butt.
This is PG.
So that looks good.
There's your bone.
There's your bone.
And
Well, that's got some girth.
yeah, it does.
God, that looks beautiful.
Holy cow.
No, it's pork.
Yeah, it's pork.
Okay, holy pork.
Smell it though.
Holy move.
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells good.
This is artery clogging, by the way, guys. So
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was
if you
told
have cardiac arrest,
You can tell I'm concerned about that, right?
and the pharmacist before I left told my wife, "Oh, your husband's too much protein. Make sure he doesn't eat a lot of protein." And I'm going to a barbecue.
barbecue.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
understand. Tell my wife, you understand what the barbecue is? She does now. So.
Yeah, with
Well, if I
a
drop dead,
Texan at the helm.
Beef quality.
All right, Aaron, that you achieved mastery.
I'll still go see what that brisket does.
All right, we'll be looking. Oh, Dave's helping out.
Make some beans.
Oh, beans. Aaron's been smoking all night. Started yesterday at 11 o'clock.
a.m.?
Yeah. He's been at it all night long. He's already finished the brisket and the, really, his butt?
2 pork butts.
Yeah, chip pork butt. And he's got ribs going in here right now.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel.
I really didn't come over in time to film all the food that we had here at Aaron's, but they got a lot of Thai food they brought in. Then they had all these different pork and beef, ribs. Oh, the pulled pork, it was incredible, really good. The brisket is all gone. There's more pulled pork. Oh, and the jalapeno poppers, really good. Everybody's going to leave here with big fat bellies, and they can thank Mr. Aaron for all this. Great meal, good meal. Then we got Dave
Remember, that's nice.
made these
What is
cheesecake.
cheesecake course? Yeah, get right here.
You know what's great? When I used to make the Oreo crust in Costa Rica 2015, now they just say you just leave the cream in the cookies and put it in the
A lot of the Thai family over here. This is day 3 at Aaron and Ton's house. Getaway day. Everybody's here getting ready for breakfast.
Morning ค่ะ With breakfast.
So it's getaway day for everybody. And I'm sure Aaron's going to be happy to get rid of us all so he can get some rest. He's cooking here. Got sausage going. Master Chef left everybody fat and sassy yesterday.
Came sassy, he just left fat.
Oh, just left fat.
Chorizo! Yeah, chorizo. Italian sausage. If we do those, yeah.
Real McCoy there. Just use
We,
the can,
we
brother.
have a primitive way of opening up a can.
Throw the can on the manifold.
Ah. Well, you know, you gotta use it. Well, you gotta.
This is how Uncle Craig ends up getting his injuries. I see those pokey pieces of metal sticking up. He's gonna dive right into
Get
one.
my thumb in there.
Morning, Dave.
Oh, he made it. He made it. Don't worry about
Wow.
Dave.
And there's Dave shows up finally. The eggs are done now. The potatoes are already done?
Yeah.
Oh, eggs, potatoes are done. Chorizo's done. Sausage. Got some cheese. And got fresh tortillas here ready to go on.
We took him the day before.
Okay, we're all leaving the party now.
Yeah.
Barbecue. Been a nice 3-day trip here.
Beautiful.
We had a great time. Hope everybody enjoyed the content. This is Bobby and Jai. Time to get going?
Out.
We're out.